As I can recall, I think ang nakita doon is actually there are 15 parang non-existent. Hindi pa naman ghost time. It needs to be validated. 15 out of I think about 1,600 projects of sites that have been validated. And I think there are about 160 or so locations that have to be still validated. Locations to be validated. And as I said, there are already 2 of these projects that have been validated through our internal audit. And these are the 2 projects where the President went through in Bulacan. So this has already been validated. Now I think the situation is actually the anti-fraud committee of the Commission on Audit has taken over the investigations and gathered all the records from this particular district engineering office, and so we will leave it up to them to continue their investigations on this project in that area.
Manny, just to clarify, what's the difference between an non-existent project and a ghost project?
Ghost project is actually that has already been validated and really found out not to be there, and ghost project not to be there, and it has been declared. It has been submitted as completed and collected. The funds have been collected as well. So these are the ghost projects that we're talking about. The non-existent for the time being is actually just a matter of validating the locations of these projects that we are talking about.
Can we say missing? Can we say missing projects? 15 missing.
15 missing projects.
Sir, location? Ay, missing nga eh. Pero isang area, sir,
well, in all the, I think most of them are in the first district of Bulacan, and I think there are scattered in some of the regions, 1 or 2, but these are going to be validated actually, and all these documents will have to be turned over to Secretary.